Hi guys, my name is Ashley and today I'm going to be going over the 4th grade worksheet. So we're going to start with numbers 1 through 3 doing solving the missing variable. So the instructions say solve for x. If you guys didn't know what x was, x is just a placeholder. So we're going to go ahead and solve for that. So it says 12 plus x equals 15. So you're asking yourself 12 plus what equals 15? Now to solve this, you can go the opposite way using minus instead. So we're going to do 15 minus 12, which is 3. So you're going to put x equals 3. And it's really important to say x equals 3 instead of just writing 3 so that people know what you solve for. Next, we're going to do 6 plus x equals 10. Again, we're going to go the opposite sign. So 10 minus 6 equals, and 10 minus 6 equals 4. So we're going to do x equals 4. Sorry, my equal signs don't look like equal signs. Okay, I'm going to do number 3. X minus 8 equals 3. So you see here that we have a minus sign instead of a plus sign. So we're going to do 8 plus 3 now. So 8 plus 3, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So we're going to do x equals 11. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest of the problems. We're going to move on to the next page. Next, here we have balancing equations, and the instructions say tell whether the equations are true by writing yes or no. So, on these problems, you have to know money. So we're going to go ahead and use our money skills to solve these. So 2 nickels. 1 nickel, I'm going to write a chart up here for you guys. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. And, oops, I'm going to write, okay, 1 dime equals 10 cents. Okay, so you guys should memorize that. So I'm going to go ahead and solve the problem now. So since we have 2 nickels, we're going to do 2 times 5. Since you have 2 5 cents plus 3 nickels, so it's going to be 3 times 5 equals 5 dimes. Now each dime is 10 cents, so we're just going to do 5 times 10. Okay, now we're going to solve this out. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 times 5 is 15, equals 50. So does 10 plus 15 equal 50? It doesn't. It equals 25. So we're going to write no on the side. Okay, let's move on to number 2. I'm going to erase this top part. Okay, so let's do 1 dime minus 1 nickel equals 5 pennies. 10 minus 5 equals 5. That sounds right, so we're going to put yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. Go ahead and try the rest of the problems using this chart up here. 1 nickel equals 5 cents, 1 dime equals 10 cents. Next, we have equations with money. So we're going to be doing the same thing, except now we're going to complete the equation to make it true. So 2 nickels is 2 times 5 plus 1 dime, which is 10 cents, plus 3 pennies equals 4 nickels. So 4 times 5. Now we're just going to go ahead and solve this out. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 10 plus 3 equals 20. So 10 plus 10 plus 3 equals 23. So we're going to do 23 equals 20 plus what? So 20 plus 3 equals 23. So here we're going to put 3 pennies. Oops. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. I'm going to write underneath it so that you can keep the work. So 2 nickels is 2 times 5 plus 1 dime minus 4 pennies equals 3 nickels plus what? So here we have, we're going to solve this out. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 10 minus 4 equals 15 plus what? So 10 plus 10 is 20, minus 4 is 16, and we have, sorry, this should be an equal sign. So we're going to do 16 equals 15 plus what? 15 plus 1 is 16. So here we're going to put 1 penny. Sorry, my work is a little messy, but let's move on to the next page. Okay, our final page, we're doing expressions. Now, this is very important to remember. We're going to do it using x equals 30. So in each x that we have, we're going to plug in 30. So 24 plus x equals what? So on the side over here, we're going to do 24 plus 30. And you're going to add up. So 0 plus 4 is 4, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So your answer is 54. Okay, we're going to do number 2. So plug in 30 into the x using PEMDAS. So we're going to do P first, which is parentheses. So we're going to solve this. Okay, so let's do 96 minus 30 equals, subtract down. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And then we're going to add 3 because it's right here. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 plus 0 is 6. So your final answer is going to be 69. Okay, I'm going to put up the answer key now. Go ahead and try the rest of the problems. Okay, good job, guys.